welcome back to Dragons Dungeons vs. Cookies and Cream. Today we're going to be unboxing a Magic Transfer Fairy Magnetic Tiles, and this is a bit different. We don't usually open things like magnetic tiles and like things like this, but today we're going to. And let's get started. So first I'm going to talk you through what's in the front, side, and back, because you guys might want to buy this and you might want to find a few information. So it says decorate your own magnetic mini tiles using fairy magic transfers. Let your imagination take you to fairyland. And it says apply water, and then it says peel off. So I can't wait to try this out. And it says the same thing. It says magnetic transfer fairy magnetic tiles. And at the back it says almost the same thing. So you can use this as a magnet. Alright guys, so let's get unboxing. Alright guys, let's open it up. So I've got my scissors, and we're going to start opening it up. So I'm going to start by cutting the edge here. Oh, it's so satisfying. I just love peeling things off. Alright, so it's all unboxed, so let's put this aside. Alright, so this is how the box looks. So it is so cool. Alright, so let us see how we can open it. Alright, so there seems to be some tape stuck here. So alright, so let's open this up. Looks like this is a box. So this is the whole thing when it's outside. So we got our little sticker sheets, I think. And we got our little instructions. We got cardboard. Let's open that up. Alright. Let's see what's inside. I want to keep this all organized because I don't want to lose this. Oh my gosh, this is so cute, guys. Look at this. It's a tiny little sponge. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is so cute and adorable. Let's put that aside. Okay, so let's get the next thing out. It's a little heavy. I don't know what this is, but let's check it out. Alright. Okay, so these are the, what is it called? The magnet, where this is the whole main structure, so you can add the magnets at the back and everything. I'm going to just make a little stack. Alright guys, I'm just going to try to cut it like this, and here we go. Let's put it over here too. Okay, so let's see what is inside. Alright guys, here's everything out of the box. I was just having a little trouble there with the bubble wrap, but we're all fine now. So I got 8 of these square tiles, and I got this really cute sticker sheet. It's really cute, and I got this little purple little sponge. It's so cute and fluffy. I actually think it's kind of satisfying to push down. And it's a really nice, kind of nice shade of purple. It kind of looks like the same shade as my scissors. But yeah, so let's read the instruction. I'm gonna go read the instructions, and I'll get back to you once I have found out what to do. So yeah. All right, guys. So I got I read the instructions and I got a glass of water. Now it's time to apply the stickers on. So I'm going to choose a really pretty sticker. I really, really like this bunny. So I have no idea how to take it off. Seriously, how do you take this off? So you can see this little white little rim there. I think you can open it from there. Oh yeah, I need to take this off first, I feel. No, these are sticker. I don't understand what I need to do. Oh! Okay, so I need to stick one of it onto it, right? So I need to stick a small little seam there, right? Okay. So this scene I'm going to pick. So there are a few options. I really like the tree, but you can pick, yeah, I'm gonna do the tree. Okay, so I'm going to take the transfer sheet. Oh, no. Okay, I think we need to put it face. So let's move all of this away. I think we need to put the transfer sheet on. Oh, we need to cut this out. Of course. Oh, yes. We need to cut the piece that we want out. I need to think. Okay, so I'm going to cut this out and I'll get back to you once I've done that. All right, guys, as you can see, I just cut the tree off. You can see it's like a small little door. Now I'm going to go get the water. It's a bit far away from where I want it to be. Please go inside. Okay. I don't know how to do this. Do I need to apply water when it's like this? Oh yes, I think I need to apply the water like this. I'm going to apply the water slowly this way when it's backwards. So now you can see that it's there. So now we got to carefully peel it off. Oh no, yes, it's kind of there. It's kind of there, yeah. So I kind of did it and I kind of didn't do it. So I'm going to choose a different one and let's see if that will work. So I'm going to try a different one on a different square. So now we know what to do. I think I'm going to choose a small one. Like this bunny over here. And I'm going to just cut a little tiny piece of it with everything. Just gonna cut it so I don't cut the fairies. Now, all right, so this is kind of the way I need it. Okay, so let's get a new one. So make sure the sticker doesn't go onto your hands. So you need to wash your hands immediately after it. So yeah, let's get that over there. Let's get this watery stuff and let's put it on to it. We're gonna let it set for a bit. Okay, now we just gotta wait. This is how it looks. Okay, just gonna wait for it to. I'm just gonna dry it on top. Okay, so I'm just gonna wipe it up, wipe all of it, and I'm just gonna peel. There we go. Perfect. Now we got us a little magnet sticker. Just gotta let that set, and we got it. Now let's get our next one. Try to do one last one. Let's try to make a perfect one by cutting the fairy. Like this. All right, so I'm just gonna cut the fairy. Perfect. Now the fairy, let's see if it fits. It's almost fitting. I'm just gonna cut off a tiny bit of the excess. There we go. Now this is perfect. Let's put this down like we did this before. And let's put it in. It's a little bendy, so a bit worried about that. So I'm just gonna keep it down. Let's let that set. Let's peel off. No, yay! Almost part of it went in. So I guess it works, kind of. So I got the bunny is the best one. So this is so far great. So the bunny one is really good. So that was the only one that actually worked. So yeah, overall I give this a 9 out of 10. Maybe it's just me because the other ones didn't work, but this one definitely did. So I'm definitely keeping this somewhere. So yeah, this is great. Alright guys, that was all for today. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!